While I'm waiting for a couple of things on a couple of my other projects, I thought this would be a good little side project because it's extremely simple now. I figured it out. It's how to make a Stella Octangula, which is an 8-pointed star from a cube. So turning between the ends, there are eight vertices in a cube, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by turning between centres, so I've got my cube centres in, those ones that fit that profile, I can at least start making this shape. It's much easier than doing it from a sphere, because on a sphere you have to be able to mark out your cube, spherical cube, then mark out a spherical octahedron, which is that. The tips of an icosahedron meet at the centres of the cube. So all I've done is I've joined across the face of each cube. I've joined the corners on every single one, and that gives us all the information we need to turn this. Because all we're going to do, if you look at my finger here, I'll get a parting tool. I'm going to part in on the outside of that line until the depth just comes up to meeting that line. So I don't want to go deeper, I don't want to go inside that line there. I want to go just till the parting depth is just up to it on all three faces, and it should all hit at the same time, all things being equal. Then the same on the opposite side, parting. And the best way to do this is parting about 2 millimeters back towards the tip in the centre, the protected tip, down, and then part on the line, or just outside the line, just leave the line down, and that way you don't destroy your tip, because when you withdraw your tool, the tendency is to catch the tip. But by having that little bit of clearance to move the tool slightly away from the tip as you pull it out, it doesn't take your tip off. Anyway, I'll turn the first later on we're going to have trouble, because these tips are going to change from a 90-90-90 to, like this tetrahedron, they change to tetrahedron type tips, which is 60-60-60. So you're going to have to I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to hold that, because these centres won't work at that point. I did have a way of doing this using some tubes, but I'm not entirely happy with it, so I might devise something else. But we'll figure something out in the next video when I'll finish it anyway. It's only going to be 2 short videos. So let's get on and just turn the first part of this.